Opa! Alright, Ariel Atom 3.5R. Let's get strapped in first. Kind of important because this is, yeah,
serious machinery, right?
a bit of a race car for the roads. It's not your most practical car, but that doesn't really matter because that's not the point of an Ariel Atom. It's all about fun. So that's exactly what we are going to do. Pretty excited to drive this thing. Driven a 3 already. 3.5R is a first, right? Putting on this, guys, because
Looking fabulous now.
I know, don't want my eyes to be destroyed. Whew. All right, looking good. Let me check the mirrors.
Is that mirror good? Or you want me
Push
to
it a bit. Yeah, push. All right, perfect. Let's go. All right, here we go. Ooh. Thing feels spectacular, absolutely. First 2 kilometers are already pretty cool. Right, we get a little BMW wants to pass. All right, here we go. Let's hope you do understand us with all the wind. Won't be very easy. Yeah, hair will be quite messy after this ride.
I think it's going to blow away all my hair.
It's not good for my swimming pools.
No, but as you said, this is 3.5R,
Yeah,
which means it has a Honda 2-liter supercharged with about 350 horsepower, correct?
something like that. Yeah, and then for a weight of 555 kilograms. That's supercar stuff. So that's pretty wild for a road legal car. That's seriously wide. All right, little bump. Bumps doing pretty well. Seat position is
It's, yeah,
amazing.
so nice.
Seat position is incredible. You're just
And
lying down in the car.
the cool thing is you see everything.
Yeah.
You can see the wheels, you can even see the steering rack.
Visibility is incredible. But just the front. The rear is not existing.
Yeah, and because it's supercharged and the intake sits right here, it's quite loud.
Sound is crazy. But let's take it easy. Holy! Oh no! What a funny car!
It does ride bumps quite nice.
Yeah, it's not. Well, yeah, we're sitting on plastic seats, so I was hoping it wouldn't destroy my back. Right, indicator because we are civilized people.
The funny thing, the indicator is just a toggle switch.
Yeah.
It's like you have to manually turn it back.
Yeah. Oh. This is a pretty cool experience for the moment.
Right? It's stupid loud. Oh my god.
The sound, holy shit. Let's take this one. This thing is so funny. Oh my god. Right. Honestly, we're driving without a helmet, which is completely legal, but I think somehow it's better to use a helmet.
And I said about my review with the Spider RS, if you have a convertible and this is the perfect weather to drive a convertible, this isn't the kind of convertible to drive in this weather because it's still below 10 degrees.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
It's quite chilly. I feel like my ears are going to freeze off.
That's why this longer hair is pretty handy.
Yeah.
Keeps you.
I've lost that privilege.
Oh, and the small steering wheel, I like it. Small steering wheel, digital dash. That was something that was implemented with the 3.5 R2.
But it's super cool because there's nothing in this car. There's no ABS, no traction control. I think even the steering rack is unassisted, so it's just you and the car.
Yeah, it's
and
really
nothing
pure.
else.
All right, let's see if we can go this way.
Yeah.
Is this? Ah, no. Bad road.
Yeah, maybe.
We took a bad road, guys. We took a bad road. Visibilities, indeed. I can't see a damn. I can't see anything. Turnings, not ideal. All right.
Yeah, good.
Whoa!
The noise.
It's insane. I feel like my brain is going to get sucked out. It's insane. Wow, it's so much fun. You okay?
Yeah. I do feel like I should have. Maybe I should have brought sunglasses.
Oh, this is insane.
I'm glad that it's still cold because there's no bugs to fly in my face.
Whoa, this is silly machine.
What the? Okay.
Oh, the way it pulls. Now we're stuck behind a little cyclist.
So another cool feature, if you didn't know about Ariels, they're all basically hand built in England. And just below the gear shift, you get this cool plaque, which says it's built by James. So very cool car, James. Thank you for building this one.
Well, I visited the factory once to pick up a friend's Ariel Atom 3 at the time.
Yeah.
And it's super funny to see how these things are actually built. It's like in a completely lost area, somewhere in, where is it? In the south of England. Looks like like a barn, the guy at home.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's super funny. At the time there were lots of nomads being built, and you can see them just being lined up. But yeah, it's very spectacular to see these things actually being built, all being hand built. And the cool thing about, I think, is pretty cool about these things is how incredible it is to personalize your own Atom, because you can hold on. Let me see. Yeah. Because you can configure everything the way you want it. Every color, like the color of the chassis, the color of the extra parts on the bodywork. If you want the digital display, if you want your steering wheel on the left side or the right side, everything can be exactly as you want it to be. You want the bigger brakes, you want extra aerodynamics, you want that kind of suspension. That's really cool that you are able to just to build your own Ariel Atom.
Yeah, that's kind of the cool thing with it being so low number and hand built, because everything is just limited production, and they'll just make everything you want.
And that's a really cool thing. It's like it's your Ariel Atom. That's really a really cool feature. Love the gearbox too. Oh, they're really close to each other, the gears. You can feel it, but just try not to do a money shift. Would be silly. Would be expensive in this thing. So let's not do that. All right, let's go off the big road here. Honestly, even for these roads, it's really fun.
What? I don't understand you. You have to shout really loud.
Okay. Oh, that's the annoying thing, because you're in open air. So if you're driving in an area with a lot of farmers, you can smell a lot of shit.
Yeah. Welcome to West Flanders.
Yeah.
And this is actually the part of Belgium with more pigs than inhabitants. And there's this small windscreen here in the front, but it does nothing.
Nah. It's the idea.
Yeah.
It's the idea of having something. Oh, it's greasy. Yeah, we gotta be careful on roads now, because as it's pretty greasy and there's nothing over the tires are really getting cold again real quick. So even if we drive, you need to drive real quick all the time to keep temperature in the tires. Even on track, you really need to push this thing to the limit.
Because there's not a lot of mass, so there's not a lot of energy, and you need to constantly put energy in the tire.
True.
So when you have a bigger car, it's more easy because it'll lean onto the tire. But this, because it's so light and so flat, you really have to work the tire. And considering we're driving on a semi-slick, on greasy and dirty roads, dirt is actually flying into my face.
I'm driving up too
because
fast.
the tire is right over there.
Yeah, that's cool. But you can see everything from the suspension to the wheels turning. That's a pretty cool
so
thing.
You can perfectly line up the car where you want it to.
Yeah. That's quite an annoying thing, because if it's raining and you're on a track day, all the water just flickers into.
Be prepared to have a waterproof suit.
All right, let's go. Almost killed a pigeon.
Suicide pigeon.
Let's try not to do that.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, it's really engaging. Oh my god.
I feel like I have brain freeze.
What a crazy, crazy car. And we're lucky enough to have a 3.5R here with the Supercharged, because the new one, the 4, is with turbocharged.
Turbocharged, yeah.
And I think it's, yeah, it's not as characteristic as these guys.
Yeah. A funny story maybe, if you guys know the BAC Mono, they wanted to go to a turbocharged in the 2nd series.
Ah, okay.
And they decided not to do it.
Ah, really? Because of the less fun
I don't know
parts?
what the official response is, but
Okay.
I think basically they wanted to have, or the owners wanted a pure driving experience without turbo lag.
Makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. All right. I'm enjoying this more than you are.
I think so too.
This thing is incredible. Yeah, what a cool car.
But I do think if you're taking it on a track day for a full day,
Then,
you might want
oh.
to have like an earplug at least in the inner ear.
Yeah, I think you might become deaf
Yeah.
instantly. After a few laps, it's like over and out.
Yeah, it really, it starts to hurt, and then you know it's not good.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because then it's all, now it's like for 2 seconds, but on a track it's
Yeah.
all the time like whee. But yeah, what a,
especially if you have a little, bigger tracks, then yeah.
yeah, definitely on bigger tracks where you're all the time in the high revs or at least super high speeds. Oh, what a cool car! What a cool car! Yeah, pretty incredible thing.
Also, it's just the concept of it. It's a guy in a shed building building a scaffolding frame with wheels and an engine.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly that. Yeah, this is super cool.
Even like the seats, they're just a plastic sheet mold.
Yeah.
They're not an actual sheet. You're sharing part of the car with the co-driver.
But you can put cushions in it, so it's much more comfortable.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Friendly people waving at us because
yeah.
they think we're some mad lunatics.
That people look at it like, yeah, crazy.
Who are these guys? Nah, awesome. Really awesome car. I do approve it. I do approve it. Yeah. All right. Thank you guys for watching. We had a blast. I'm not sure if Beau had a blast, but I certainly did. Thank you.
One like goes to my ear repair.
And to your trip in Turkey for new haircut. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.
you.
Bye.
Bye.